Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to analyze companies that are listed on NSE as of March 2024, end of March 2024. And in this small video, I'm going to analyze them based on their market cap and what are the distribution of market caps uh, for these companies. So the data I'm going to use is from this link, which is from NSE India itself. So National Stock Exchange of India provides a list of all the companies that are listed as at the end of each quarter. So if you open the link that is shown here, then it will be showing you this page, and you can see at the bottom right there is a list of all the quarters, and in this we have a corresponding XLS containing the uh, company details for that quarter. So the latest uh, set of companies that are provided to us are based on end of quarter one for 2024, which is March 31st. Quarter. Now I downloaded this data. Actually, I downloaded each of the data, but in the current discussion, I'll only be providing details for the first file. And to that, I am going to use Python to read these Excel files and explore the data a little bit. So let's begin with that. So for the first step, I have I have imported some of the libraries, some of the Python libraries, which I'll be using to read this data and analyze further. So the first file, when I'll download, it will be named as AmpCap 228032024. So simply it means that it has a timestamp that is for 28th of March 2024. So probably that's the date when it was prepared. And once I read this data, then I'll use pandas.read Excel and try to see the content. Then you can see the top 5 records in this data contain all the the companies ordered in the descending order of market capitalization. So that means the biggest company is at the top, which is Reliance, followed by TCS, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. Now let's explore the data itself, like the what does this whole thing provide. So here you can see that for some of the companies, especially the ones at the bottom, are not having records for market cap due to different regions, and the region is listed here. So companies are still there, but they are not provided um, the corresponding market cap. Now, what I'm going to do, my further analysis is to clean this data and remove those companies for which we'd have non-numeric values in market cap. Now, so clean that, I have just used this small lambda function, and then I have renamed the columns to give it some more precise and explanatory name. And then I'm going to see what are the top 50 companies. So the top 50 companies, not surprisingly, will be same as the one which we saw in unclean data, because there the ordering was same as this one when I'm explicitly doing this ordering. And then I'm going to see the bottom 50 companies. So you can see these are the bottom 50 companies. For that, I have sorted this in ascending order. Now you can see the bottom companies, the smallest one is having a market cap of 250 lakhs. So, okay, so the market cap that was provided in this file was in lakhs. So 250 lakhs means 2.5 crore or 25 million rupees. So that is the smallest company, and the biggest one is having a value of so this value is quite big, even in, on the scale of lakhs. It's something like um, 2 into 10 to the power 8 probably. So yeah, so this is very, so you can see that there is a very big difference in the smallest and the largest company, which we'll see further. Now, if we try to make a histogram of this record for all these companies, then okay, let me just quickly show you on the shape of this data as well, like what is the record count that was remaining after doing the scheming. Okay, so we have 2,255 total companies, and these are 4 columns. So okay, so now if we try to create a histogram of just the data to see uh, what is the distribution of most of the companies' market cap. So as you can see, this histogram on the basic scale is highly skewed. So most of the companies are in the range of are less than, you can say, 2.5 into 10 to the power 7 lakhs. But there are few which are more than that, and they are very rare. So this histogram looks little skewed. If we analyze just first 50 companies, then there is still some sort of distribution. But as we go along for the more, then the distribution becomes very uneven. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to transform this data as we do to get more meaningful insight. And I'm going to take a log of the market cap. So how the data will change. So if let's say, okay, so once I take a log, so let me show you how the data itself will look like for the first few companies. Okay, okay, I see. So here, let's say I change my data and create a new column called the log of MCAP. And if now I explore this data, then okay, so that means this is something like so this data is like so the actual amount of market cap will be 10 to the power 8.3. Here it will be like 10 to the power 8.14, and here it will be like 10 to the power 7. Okay, so when we go from a scale of from the data of 7 to 8, so that means that there is a tenfold increment. So every one number increment in this scale is going to signify 10 times larger market cap. Okay, so if we create a histogram of this on this scale, then it will look something like this, which is sort of uh, which gives a feeling of bell curve. So that means most of the companies are in the range of the market cap, which is from 10.4 lakhs to 10.6 lakhs. So 10.4 lakhs, which is a big amount. It means 10 to the power 2 crore, which is like 100 crores, and 10 to the power 6, which is like 100 Arabs. So that you can see that most of the companies are in the range of the market capitalization, which is 10 to the power 4 crore to 10 to the power 4 lakhs, which is 100 crore to 100 Arab. Or yeah, so yeah, and then there are some companies which are quite big, and like Reliance, etc. So, and if you compare them with the smallest companies, then there are here at rock bottom. So now, if you again, if you want to see a cumulative graph, then you can see this cumulative graph, which means how the count of companies increases. Then you see there's a steep curve, sorry, steep slope from 10 to the power 3 lakhs, around 10 to the power 3 lakhs till 10 to the power 6 or 7 lakhs. But after that, they increase very slowly. So that means in this range, there are very few companies. So hope it gives some insights on how the companies are companies market cap is distributed on national stock exchange. Okay, here is a small uh, additional information. So the market caps, some of the market cap is like around 30. Okay, it's like 3 lakhs 80,000 Arab. So which is a very big number in terms of rupees. So all these data is in terms of rupees. Now I have also created a box plot to see what is the sort of distribution. So you can see the 75th percentile, as we saw in our previous mm, histogram as well. So that from the distribution from 25th percentile to 75th percentile is in the range of 10 to the power 4 lakhs to 10 to the power 6 lakhs. And then there are some outliers after 10 to the power 8 lakhs. So this is on a log scale. If you try to do the same box plot on normal scale, you see so there are a lot of outliers. So it's not even worth doing analysis on the actual scale. This also actually signifies the importance of data transformation in doing these sort of analysis. Okay, so here I'll end this, and in my next video, I'll try to analyze the data not for only for current quarter, but also for next 5 years. Thank you.